Namaste everybody, welcome back to YOGATX. My name's Candace and you can also find me on my channel YogaCandi, all one word and Candy with an I. So today we have another beautiful morning flow for you. So feel free to follow along as well as you can. If you need to modify and take beginner variations, then feel free to do that. There's absolutely no need for any props. And it's going to be all about getting the juices flowing and energizing the body ready for the day. So let's start off in a standing position. We're just going to start off at the top of our mats and start off by doing something a little funny, but we're just going to shake out the whole body. So shake out the hands, shake out the legs. You can shake one leg at a time, just waking up those nerve endings. And then when you're ready, become still. And we're going to bring our big toes together, heels ever so slightly apart. Suck in through the belly, roll the shoulders back and down. Keep everything nice and engaged, lifting up through the kneecaps. Allow your hands to hang heavy by the sides of the body. And from here, we're going to just roll our neck in half circles, taking it from one shoulder to the other. Keep your breath nice and deep and long, in and out of the nostrils throughout the flow today. Take one more little roll. And then lift your head back to center. Inhale the hands to the sky, look up. Exhale, fold from the hips. Bend your legs whenever you need to. And we're just going to bend and straighten through the legs. Don't worry if you can't get them straight at all. Just do what feels good for your body. Now see how much you can straighten the right leg. Lift up through the kneecap. And bend the left leg. We're going to walk the fingertips over towards the left side of the mat. Allow the head to hang heavy and just take a couple of deep breaths here. Now walk the hands to the center, straighten as much as you can through the left leg. We're going to walk the hands over towards the right side of the mat, bend through the right knee as much as you need to. Allow the head to hang heavy, and once again take a couple of deep breaths. Now walk them back to center. Inhale, halfway lift, look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll your spine all the way back up to standing. Inhaling the hands above the head, look up. Interlace the fingers and push the palms away from the body up towards the sky. Just bring your head back to facing the front, and we're going to send our right hip bone towards the right side and just get a little side body stretch here. Sending the hands over towards the left. And back to center, send it over towards the left. Left hip bone goes left, hands to the right. And back to center. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift, look up. Plant the hands, step back into a nice strong plank, lift up through the shoulder blades. If you would like to take an easy plank, just slowly bring the knees to the ground. Take a deep inhale here. And exhale, send your hips back to downward facing dog. Give your dog a little walk, just stretching out those hamstrings once again. And don't worry if your heels are not touching the ground, that's quite all right. Perhaps with time and practice, maybe they'll start to get lower and lower. But wherever you are, Become still, suck up through the belly, suck the belly towards the spine. Send the tailbone to the sky, pull the shoulder blades apart. Make sure that you're putting your weight into all four corners of the hands and not just into the wrists. Look between the legs. Close your eyes and let's take a couple of deep breaths here. From here, you can walk your feet a little further back behind you. We're going to take little waves into our plank. So wave the spine, vertebrae by vertebrae, and roll forward into a nice strong plank. Take a deep inhale in your plank. And exhale back to downward facing dog. Take a deep inhale in your dog. And we're going to exhale, rolling the spine forward to plank. Suck the belly up towards the spine. Take a deep inhale. Exhale back, downward facing dog. Take a nice deep inhale here. And then on your next inhale, we're going to be lifting our right leg only as high as you can into the sky. And then exhale it up to the chest, rolling forward and stepping between your palms. We're going to come in for a high lunge, so just frame the foot. Don't worry if it takes you a while to get there. We're going to inhale our hands up to the sky. Look at the palms as they touch above your head. And then open up for a warrior two. Open the hips. Back foot is planted, 90-degree angle to the back of the mat. Look at your front fingertips. Look at these right fingertips. And now straighten the front leg. Let's take a triangle. You can take your palm to the inside of the thigh and lift that left arm to the sky. Look up. Or if you have the flexibility, you can take it down to the shin, or even all the way down to the ground. Just be where you are today. Take a nice deep inhale. Exhale, release out the mouth. Now inhale back into your warrior two. Look at your right fingertips. And let's rotate the hips forwards, coming back off the back heel. Inhaling into high lunge, lift the arms to the sky, look up. Exhale, fold forward and frame the front foot. We're going to step forward to the front of the mat. Take this left leg up to the sky and bring it to meet the right. Exhale, fold. Hold on to your elbows and hang nice and heavy just for a moment. Inhale, halfway lift, look up. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands, step back into a nice strong plank. Take a deep inhale here. And make your way back to downward facing dog. Become still in your dog, look between your legs. And when you find comfort, you can always close your eyes, take a couple of deep breaths. On your next inhale, lift this left leg as high as you possibly can. Exhale, draw it to your chest, rolling forward, stepping between the palms. Take your time to get there. Lift up off the back heel. We're coming in for our high lunge once again on the opposite side. Just take a moment here. Exhale out the mouth if you need to. And then inhale up into our high lunge. Keep the legs nice and strong. Inhale, hands above the head, look up. And then exhale, open up to warrior two. Back heel is planted, 45-degree angle to the back of the mat. Or a 90-degree angle, depending on the flexibility of your hip. And look at the front fingertips, these left fingertips. Take a deep inhale. And then straighten the front leg back, and for our triangle, taking this left hand to the left thigh and the right hand up to the sky. If you have the flexibility, you're going to come down to the shin or all the way down to the ground. Keeping the hips open and the spine nice and long. Take one more deep inhale here. And exhale, roll forward into your warrior two. Look at your front fingertips. Inhale, rotating the hips forwards, coming up off the back heel. In for a high lunge, look up. And exhale, plant the hands, framing this front foot. Use the power of the legs to inhale and roll forward and lift that back leg up off the ground. And step it to meet the right. Exhale, fold, hold on to your elbows. Hang nice and heavy here. On your next inhale, halfway lift to look up. Plant the hands, step back into plank. Take a deep inhale. And exhale, draw your belly to the ground as slowly as you can. Inhaling for a baby cobra. And then exhale your tailbone all the way back to your heels. Open your knees as wide as the mat. Come all the way down, extending your arms out long. Bring your forehead down to the ground. If your bum is lifted off of your heels, don't worry. With time, perhaps they'll start to move slowly down. Just enjoy this gentle hip opener. Return back to your natural breath. From here, walk your hands back towards the body. Draw your knees together and sit in any position that works for you. You can even stay kneeling, or you can come into a comfortable cross-legged position. Take your time getting there. We're going to end off with a little spinal twist. So we're going to inhale the hands to the sky, look up. Exhale, start to twist towards the right, taking this left hand to the right knee, looking behind you. Take a couple of deep breaths here. And then inhale the hands above the head, look up. Exhale, twist all the way over. Oh, let me move my mic, sorry. Take a twist all the way over towards the left side, taking the right hand to the left knee. Stay tall through the spine and take a couple of deep breaths. and back to center. Take a couple of neck rolls in one direction, from shoulder to shoulder, and then in the other. And back up to center. Sit up nice and tall through the spine. Close your eyes. Let's take a moment to tune totally into the body and into this moment before we begin our day. Return to your natural breath. Don't force anything. Take notice of that gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and as you exhale. Take notice of the warmth within the body. Now that you've woken up and got all the juices and the blood flow going, with the eyes still closed, inhale the hands above the head, touch the palms and allow the face to face up towards the sky. Exhale the palms to the heart center, bow your head. I thank you for practicing with me this morning. Namaste. I hope you've all enjoyed this flow. Please let me know in the comments how you got on. And if there's anything you'd like to see from future YogaCandi / YOGATX videos, if there's anything you guys would like to see, do let us know. And also let us know where in the world are you watching from. That would be really great to know. So until next time, have a wonderful day. Namaste.